Laurel, 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 laurel.
Some hear Yanny and some hear Laurel, and others hear both. So why do people hear different things when it's coming out of the same source? The mystery lies in the fact that the audio waves of both Yanny and Laurel are very similar. The only difference is the word Yanny is produced at a higher frequency, while Laurel has a lower frequency. Different people hear different frequencies, and this may be due to age. As we age, our ears are not able to pick up higher frequencies. So if you're hearing Yanny, chances are your ears are younger. If we listen to the word again reproduced at a higher frequency, chances are you'll hear Yanny.
Yanny, Yanny.
And if the word is reproduced at a lower frequency, it is likely you will be hearing Laurel.
Laurel, laurel.
Hope this explains why different people are hearing different things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.